Pursuing a better life is the common dream of the people around the world. Yutong is dedicated to the sustainable development of the global public transport and making a better travel. Yutong is a large-scale enterprise mainly specialized in the bus business and also covers areas of construction machinery, special vehicles, and other investment business. It has the largest bus manufacturing base in the world, and its full product lineup covers various segment markets. With its sales network expanding to 6 continents, Yutong has become the world's major bus and coach supplier. Yutong guides the design and development of bus product with science and technology. Through a number of active and passive safety systems, we live up to our commitment to the safety. With the internationally advanced test rig for all-terrain simulation of whole vehicles and chassis, cathodic electrocoating production lines, and fully automated painting and welding processes, the reliability and durability of products are improved. Through the research of ergonomics, air conditioning, noises, and other related aspects, we concern the ride experience of drivers and passengers. With the self-developed thermal management system of engines, re-control system, and so on, Yutong provides you with energy-saving and smart value. In order to meet the needs of various market segments like long-distance passenger transportation, public transport, tourism, commuting, school buses, and so on, Yutong IOV R&D Center, based on its self-developed vehicle plus telematics platform, launched 5 solutions covering safety, maintenance work, and fleet scheduling areas. Based on one platform, we can achieve data interactions in all aspects of the ecological chain of commercial vehicles, from vehicle hardware to software to human behavior. Ultimately, to intelligent operation of whole city, we enable the lifeless data to become smart. Based on actual needs of each customer and taking vehicles, human beings, and roads into full consideration, we constantly enhance the details of operation and accumulate strength for the change of the traditional operation mode with intelligentization and network connection to achieve more efficient and controllable management as well as safer and lower cost operation. We continue to explore the solutions of new energy buses and have fully grasped the core technologies of new energy buses, such as matching optimization, system integration and control, electric bus safety, and so on. Moreover, Yutong has innovatively proposed systematic solutions of full electric buses covering products, delivery, after sales, financing, operating management, and so on. Yutong has also successfully developed a variety of hybrid and full electric bus products and has rich operating experience at home and abroad. Its sales volume of full electric buses ranked first in the world.
De la marca Yutong, con abastecimiento eléctrico de Engie. Queremos agradecer porque esta es una demostración de lo fuerte y provechoso para el país que puede ser la unión público-privada. Esto ya le da la partida formal a la electromovilidad en Chile en el transporte público. Vamos a seguir trabajando en esta misma línea y esperamos que mucha gente se vea beneficiada por este nuevo grupo de buses eléctricos.
Adapting to the transport development needs of different countries, Yutong has achieved KD cooperation in more than 10 countries and regions. It can provide integrated KD solutions such as factory planning, product design, and so on, actively promoting the development of local bus industry and the employment. We work out efficient, quick, and safe transport solutions based on customers' needs, solve issues like customs clearance and vehicle inspection in time, and ensure the timely delivery of products, enabling you to obtain operating profit as early as possible. In order to guarantee your smooth operation, we also provide you with trusted service. The Global Service Network, high-efficient parts distribution mechanism, professional service team, and systematic service training make your operation free of worries. Adhering to the philosophy of customer orientation, Yutong has a deep understanding of customers' needs and provides adaptive solutions. Thanks to the efforts on exceeding people's expectations over and over again, Yutong is promoting to make our dream come true. In China, Yutong always leads and achieves the truly valuable changes. Through vigorous development of the overseas market, we are trying to meet the anticipation of the whole world on the future transport. When a Yutong bus is running in different places of the world, it represents not merely a vehicle, but rather the trust in Yutong by customers from around the world. In the future, we will continue to move forward and endeavor to improve your travel experience with the consistently improved products and service solutions.